What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering Algorand. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So just to give a little recap, this was Algorand in my previous video. It was trading at about 16 cents. And I called out the massive Class A bullish divergence. And I said based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get a bounce. Fast forward to the current Algorand chart and we ended up getting that bounce. So had you guys taken this trade, you could have made about 11.4% gains in 5 days, which are actually not bad gains at all. And if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But I'll go deeper into the Algorand chart at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So Algorand is currently trading at just over 17.5 cents. Their market cap is 1.4 billion, which ranks 54th among all cryptocurrencies. And then their circulating supply is just over 8 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is just over 80% in circulation. And I do also want to point out that the reality is a lot of people out there still would classify Algorand as a premier project. However, even if you don't, you have to understand Algorand is still to this day only up 100% from their all-time low. That is actually crazy. There are a lot of projects out there that are up like 20,000% from their all-time low. And I'm not just talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the massive projects. So even just based on this, if you guys still believe in Algorand long-term, it might not be a bad time for you to start dollar cost averaging in. Obviously, that's not financial advice, but you can see the numbers right here. But if you guys are looking to trade Algorand, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now I also want to scroll down to the Algorand news section, and I want to talk about this top article, 4 cryptocurrencies under 20 cents to buy this week. And they just posted it 41 minutes ago. And as I'm sure you guys guessed it, Algorand is on this list. They are at number 4. Finally, the team at Algorand continues to work hard on developing its ecosystem as well as bringing blockchain technology to the masses, including through its foundation's Algo initiative for the launch of the Startup Lab program to support 20 Web3 startups in India. And then they said, in summary, the above assets under 20 cents per whole coin might represent an excellent opportunity to buy this week. That said, the situation could change at any moment, so doing one's own research and weighing the risks is important before investing in them. And I'm going to be honest, usually I don't agree with these articles, but this is actually excellent advice. Mainly that anything could change at a moment and everyone should do their own research. That is the most important thing for everyone to understand when investing in crypto. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Algorand Foundation X account, which has 150,000 followers. And they just reposted 19 hours ago. DeFi Web development in full progress. Our first-class mobile wallet will get a companion. Expect first public release within 2 months. And if you guys don't know, this is a secure Algorand wallet supercharged for trading. And then they posted on February 10th, Happy Lunar New Year and Year of the Dragon. The Algo Foundation commissioned artwork with Bambino NFT to celebrate. And I won't lie, this artwork actually looks pretty cool. And then lastly, what they posted February 10th, Crust Network is offering an exclusive airdrop to Algo devs. And funny enough, I'll actually get back to Crust Network here in just a second. But first, we'll go over some macro news that could affect Algorand's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Algorand. So this is Watch Your Guru's X account. And the first thing is what they posted 12 hours ago. Twitter founder Jack Dorsey wearing a Bitcoin Satoshi shirt at the Super Bowl. Just to show you guys the clip, it's 6 seconds.
Back.
She's amazing.
Beyonce, Jay-Z.
Wow. Think you got any talent in this building?
But while we're on this post, let me know down in the comments, did you guys watch the Super Bowl and were you happy with the results? I'll say this right now, the 49ers absolutely balled. C-Mac had 160 yards, but the problem is they're playing against Patrick Mahomes. But again, let me know down in the comments, who are you guys rooting for? And they just posted 20 hours ago, 10,000 blocks remain until the Bitcoin halving, which at the time they posted this was about 66 days away. It feels like we have been waiting an eternity, but it is finally almost here. Now, lastly, as of February 9th, BlackRock and Fidelity now hold over 151,000 Bitcoin worth over 7.1 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETFs. And this is incredible to see how fast their holdings are actually growing. It shows that there is a lot of interest in the Bitcoin spot ETFs. But now, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow, at Crypto Now or Never. I've recently been trying to grow my X account, and I've been posting on here pretty much every single day, and we've actually been making some very profitable calls. But what I was saying about Crust Network is that it made my list on February 10th, and I said these are 3 underrated deep-in cryptos to add to your watch list, 30x to 100x potential, and Crust Network was one of those. But yeah, come over and give your boy a follow, at Crypto Now or Never. Yet also, if you guys want to take it a step further, I actually have an opportunity for you. So I have a private Discord through Patreon, and there are are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys access to cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And just understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. These are the kind of cryptos that can theoretically turn $1,000 into $100,000. And just to give you guys a little taste of the gains we're making, this is just since February 8th. In the YouTube video, we hit Caspa for 30% gains. But then after that, we nailed Hello Labs for 19% in 1 hour. And it actually ended up getting up to 24%. We nailed Mind for 25% in 1 day. And then in 2 days, we nailed it for 70%. And then we just nailed GLQ for 16% gains. And all of this happened within 4 days. We have not even had the Bitcoin halving yet, which means that the bull run might not have even started yet. So this is only just the beginning. But anyways, if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. It's in the description. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. Now, as I said, had you guys taken this initial trade, you could have made about 11.4% in 5 days. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So the first thing is that the RSI is still neutral. However, the stochastics is starting to get a little bit overbought. In addition, if you look at price action, we swing from a higher high to a lower high. The RSI is lower high to higher high, which is class A bearish divergence. So based on that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually drop in the short term. In addition, with the stochastics and RSI pushing up, we still have not gotten back above the 50-day moving average. That shows that this is a very strong resistance level. So just to keep things very simple, if Algorand cannot get back above the 50-day moving average in the short term, I would look for more downside, plain and simple. Now, lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And this is actually getting crazy. Bitcoin has nailed our measured move almost perfectly. In fact, at this point, it's even went a little bit above the measured move. But also, just to keep things clear on Bitcoin as well, as I've been saying in pretty much all of my previous videos, the number one thing I'm watching is whether or not price action can close a candle above this previous local high. And that previous local high was 48,969. So basically, can Bitcoin close a candle above $49,000? If it does, that could be very bullish for the entire crypto space. On the contrary, if we cannot and we end up having a double top, I could see price action falling all the way back down to the 21-day moving average, which honestly, that might happen anyways. But nonetheless, props to any of you guys that took this Bitcoin trade. I've had it drawn in this bull flag for about the last week and a half. But as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.